What's up? So, just cleaned my bike up. Hosed it off, used some cleaner and stuff, you know, the usual. Clean air filter. So, one thing I just got done doing though is I had to cut my bar pad so the mounts could fit underneath. So that worked out pretty well. And then here's these Motion Pro fork bleeders. They're pretty nice. Not bad for 15 bucks. So, just cleaned it. Figured I'd do a cold start video. Haven't done one in a long time. It is cold. I didn't start it at all yet. It had to be completely cold before I cleaned it anyway. So I let it air dry. Wipe stuff down, help it out. Got the gas on. Yeah, it's on. Oh, I missed a spot. I don't know if I got gas in it or not, but hopefully enough to start it. It's completely cold. Couple blips. Usually it starts first kick, so there shouldn't be a problem with the choke on. Usually without the choke, 2 to 3 kicks, but I can usually kick go like that. What? I almost started there, but I can usually go like that with not the choke, and it'll start. Okay, here we go. I'll let it warm up a little bit and then I'll rev it some for you guys. I don't want to free rev it because cold seizures on the piston is pretty bad for it. So, she runs strong now that I got that 6 Sigma jet kit. Got the idle tune and everything. It was pretty hard with this crappy Keyheen PGA, but you gotta do what you gotta do. That was the lowest I could get the idle, and I'm satisfied with it because it don't die on me at all, ever in the corners to clutch in or anything. But before it was pretty low, to where it would almost drop down to a lower. I don't know if anyone out there has that too, but it will get to the point to where you have it idling, and then you idle for 5 seconds, and it drops down to a lower idle and then dies. But I got it up above that, so it's good. So, yep, that was a cold start. Thanks for watching, guys. Go check out some videos coming up soon. My birthday video is going to be uploaded soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.